friends, on this video how you can create 4K video on Samsung S21 FE 5G. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on camera. When you tap on camera, here you have to click on video. This is photo and here is the video. Tap on video if you want to create 4K video. Okay, you want to record 4K video. Then after that, here you have to click on this HD icon. Here you can see nearby this effect. Okay, just click on HD. When you tap on HD, here you can see HD. Okay, tap on HD. After that, here you can see UHD, UHD 30, FHD 60 and HD 30. So if you want to record 4K video, from here you can select UHD 60 and here high resolution with smooth has applied. Okay, and if you click on UHD 30, this also little bit high resolution, ultra high. And if you click on FHD 60, this will be smooth frame resolution. Okay, after that, if you want to select HD, then you can select HD. This all are the 4K. Okay, if you want to record 4K video. So friends, let's keep on it from UHD 60. You can see little bit high quality right now. Okay, so and friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching and hope you understand how you can record through 4K video on your Samsung mobile phone. Okay, and thanks for watching. Bye.